In this video, we're going to show you how to install the door mirrors on your Ford Focus located on the outside of the body. Now with the door open, you want to go ahead and pop off this plastic cover. You can normally use a plastic trim tool like this and just get between the plastic and the door shell itself and just pry out gently. And this is going to dislodge the metal tabs from the back side of our cover. Now, if your vehicle is equipped with a power mirror feature here, it's going to be on the back side. You just need to reach in, and I'm going to pinch this here, and I'll show you once I get it undone. On the bottom side, there's going to be a little pinch tab. You just need to pinch that in, compress it in, and then pull that out. That goes on the bottom of the connector. Now, there's going to be 3 bolts, 10mm bolts holding our mirror in place. There's one here. There's one down here, and then there's one right down here. And we're going to push this down, a little insulation pad, and there is our 10mm bolt, our third one right down in here. Now we're going to show you how to do this here without pulling the door panel off. We need to disconnect our mirror harness right here, or our connector. I'm going to use a little pick. And on the bottom side of this connector, there's a little push tab. Now if you put your finger in there, you can feel that push tab, but to pinch that and pull this connector off is kind of tough. It can be done, but we're going to show you how to do it with a couple tools. A little pick, go up underneath, and you can feel it and you can see it looking down. Push that up, and I'm going to use my plastic tool here. Our mirror is falling apart, that's why we're replacing it, but you can see it's coming apart there. And there is our connector. Pop that off, tuck that off to the side for now. Now that we have our mirror connector disconnected, there are 3 bolts we need to get to. There's one here, and there's one right down behind this insulation. Let's go ahead and use our 10mm socket and ratchet to go ahead and remove the bolts. And just put this right down inside, and we'll get that one out. All right, there we go. Now that we have all 3 of those out, we should be able to separate that mirror. I'm going to take our new mirror, insert that into the pocket. Get your mirror set up in there. Gonna go ahead and get our bolt started here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and snug down our bolts now. Now these inserts where the bolts go into have brass inserts in them or metal inserts. So you don't have to worry about stripping the plastic, so you just want to make these snug. All right, there we go, that one's snug. Let's go ahead and tighten down the upper bolt. Then once we snug this down, we'll go ahead and tighten down the third one up front. There it is, just bottomed out, snug it a little bit. And it's going to go ahead and get our last one here. Perfect. Now we'll go ahead and connect our mirror connector. You can hear it and feel it lock in. Take your mirror cover, going to pop the connector onto it. These metal tabs here go into these slots inside the door. Good. Pop that on, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.